This is the final video to fix the BrUsbSib sys Incompatible driver error. And if you're also getting this warning after updating Windows or connecting a brother printer or scanner, stay with me because I'll show you every simple fix that actually works. I'm from BrUsbSib, and I know how annoying driver errors can be when all you want is your device to work normally. This error appears when the brother USB driver becomes outdated, corrupted, or no longer matches the latest Windows update. Many guides online make this sound complicated, but the real fixes are easy. When I faced this problem myself, one quick trick fixed it instantly. But before that, here are all the methods you should try. First, disconnect your brother printer or scanner. Then restart your PC. After rebooting, plug it back in. Sometimes Windows auto-installs the correct driver. Next, update the brother driver manually. Go to Brother's official support page, search for your model, download the latest Windows 10 or 11 USB driver package, and install it. This replaces the incompatible BrUsbSib sys file with the correct one. If the error still appears, uninstall the old driver. Open Device Manager, expand USB controllers or imaging devices, right-click the brother device, and choose Uninstall. Then restart your PC and reinstall the driver. Another easy fix is deleting the leftover brother driver files. Go to C:\Windows/System32 \drivers.